This is not financial advice. Bye, people. Welcome back, dreamers, to the Dream Green Conversation. Let me hear you come and give me the loot, because I'm about to show you guys how to make the market give you a loot. Now, this is for the hard-working people out there who don't have time to sit at their desk every single second of the day, trying to day trade or check their phone, looking for alerts. Now, I'm about to show you guys how you're going to use just 1 hour out of your day per month. And I'm going to show you guys 3 stocks in this video that's fairly cheap so that you can learn how to do it. You can get introduced into selling options, right? We're not buying options. We're not buying call betting that the stock go up. We're not buying puts betting that stock going to go down. We're option sellers now, right? And it's only going to take us 1 hour out of the entire month. Now I'm about to show you guys on how you could generate enough income to make your job feel like you're making money, to make your money make you more money in the future. And you could just live off of that income. You could take vacations off of that income. You could reinvest that income right back into it and make even more money in the future from reinvesting your wins. Now, what I'm going to show you guys is the first step of the wheel strategy. That is called selling cash secure puts. You're going to get paid to wait to buy a stock at a cheaper price. If that stock's never pulled back to the cheaper price you want it to pull back, you're still getting paid. You just never picking up shares of that stock. So that is called premium. So far this year, running the wheel strategy in premium, we generated around $19,328 in pure premium alone. And we only really spend around an hour a week. Me, I spend an hour a week because I got to make YouTube content. But you could spend an hour a month and you could bring in close to the same amount of money, right? So that's called selling cash secure puts to pick up a stock at a cheaper price. If the stock do pull back to the cheaper price that you want to pick it up, I'm going to explain in this video, then you get to pick up those 100 shares of a stock that you already wanted, but you got paid to pick up the shares of a stock that you wanted at the set price that you wanted to pick it up at. Even if it falls below, you still have to pick it up at the price that you wanted to pick it up at, but you got paid to on a stock that you already want. So I'm going to bring you guys 3 stocks that a lot of people are not talking about in the stock market. One of them is really cheap that's everybody's talking about because it pays good premium. It depends on the implied volatility on how much premium that a stock is going to pay out. I can't go all into that in the video. If you want to learn more, join the Patreon. That's where I talk about every single thing. Let me see if I can pull it up. Patreon, the Dream Team. Right now it's half off. You guys can use the code. It's going to be down in the description, 50% off. This is where I talk about the wheel strategy, how to sell options, how to roll your options down and out, how to roll your options up and out. And we hold Zoom calls every single Sunday. That's why I teach the wheel strategy. I got multiple modules in there, and I have 3 pro day traders in there that post the option trades every single day. So if you watch this video and like what you see, I highly consider that you guys join the Patreon. It's only limited spots available. Now, the first one I'm gonna show you guys the one that everyone's talking about later on in the video, but let me bring you guys one that a lot of people are not talking about and how I use the strategy. Now, the first one on this list is going to be ticker symbol LMND Lemonade. Now, right now we're looking on the 1-day time frame because we don't have time to look at the 1 hour time frame. We only want to spend 1 hour a month. I'm gonna show you guys how to set it up. Now, I use the Bollinger Bands for my settings that I have in there. I like to sell cash secure puts, saying that I want to pick up shares of Lemonade at a cheaper price, and you're going to pay me a premium to pick it up at a cheaper price. Now, usually when stocks is at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and it's oversold on the RSI, price usually likes to trend all the way back up to the top of the Bollinger Band. So we're not going to get assigned those shares. Sometimes we really want to get assigned those shares so we can sell cash you can put close to money and get a lot of premium and pick up those shares. But sometimes we just want to pick up the premium and generate a couple of percent every single month and live off of that income. So right now, Lemonade, let me zoom all the way out. So this is Lemonade from the time that they went public, and it's doing the thing that I absolutely want it to do. So when Lemonade went public, it shot all the way up, and then it trended down, traded sideways, and started to trend up again. That's the same thing Robinhood did. So we're gonna look at Robinhood. Robinhood went public, traded sideways, shot all the way up, trended down, traded sideways for a long time, and then started to trend up. We're waiting for Bull to do this as well. Bull did the exact same thing. Came out, traded sideways, shot all the way up, started to trade sideways, and we're waiting for Bull to break around $13. And then we're going to be doing the same thing with Bull. So Lemonade is a little bit ahead of Bull. LMND is doing everything that we want to do. So we do kind of want to pick up shares of Lemonade. I just picked up some shares worth of Lemonade, selling cash secure puts. and I picked up 100 shares at around $52. But I got paid to pick up those shares at $52 because we got in way back here at like $15. We sold at 62, and then we got right back in at 52. So that's $1,000 profit just in our pockets right there. So what we do, we wait till it comes to the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. We wait until it's oversold. So is it there yet? No, we would love for it to be oversold, but I don't mind picking up shares of Lemonade at this price right here. So we're looking at the 1-day chart. So let's hop over to enter this trade. So here we are on Robinhood. We sold the cash you can put on Robinhood. We'll just hit trade options, and we're gonna go out a month from now. Today is the 16th, so let's go to something close to the 16th. Let's go to the 17th, and we're gonna be selling a put. So if we come back over to our charts, you guys can see that I got this strong support line right here. It had a support, and now I'm gonna use that support again. So I'm comfortable picking up shares of LMND. Once again, at any price point below $46 or $47, somewhere in this zone right here, as long as it is above this green line. So any price point below $48, I'm comfortable picking up shares of LMND, even if it falls below $48. Now we come back over here. We went out a month, and let's look for 48. Here we go on 48. Let's click this right click, and that's cool. It has a delta of 0.3. The delta is saying that we have around a 70% chance of winning this trade. If the delta was 0.2, that means we have an 80% chance of winning this trade. And if the delta was 0.1, we have a 90% chance that LMND will not pull back to this certain price point. So right here at $48, we have a 70% chance that Lemonade will not pull back to $48 at the expiration of June 18th. And it's going to give us a market price right there of $230 per share. So let's hit sell. One, and we're gonna do 230. So there it goes. You guys will see that we will be in profit on this trade as long as LMND, because we are getting paid out $230. If as long as it stays above $45.70, we will be in profit on this trade, and that's fine with me because we come back over here. $45.70 is way below our yellow zone right here. So we'll be in this area right here. So I'm comfortable putting in this trade. Let's see what kind of percentage that is. So we do 220 divided by how much collateral we have to put in, $4,800. Multiply that out by 100%. That is a 4.58% trade in just 1 month. 4.58% trade in just 1 month, even though it is high risk because it is at a 0.3 delta. If you really don't want those shares, you could look for a 0.2 delta, but you get paid a little bit less in the premium. But if you multiply this out by 12 months, that's a 55% yearly gain just from selling cash you puts on the stock that we want, if it never pulls back to the price that we want it. Now, if we get assigned those shares, cool, because we do want to long-term invest inside of LMND. So we come over to the compound daily calculator. Let's say we started off with $4,800, and we're making 4.58% per month. I know it says day, but just imagine that it says month. As soon as I switch it over to month, it starts tripping. So I know it says day. So say we do this for 5 years for 60 months, right? 60 months is 5 years, and we're going to be reinvesting our earnings, and we're not going to be adding anything to it. Let's hit calculate. This is us just starting off selling cash secure puts on Lemonade, bringing in 4.58% every single month. Let's hit calculate. After 5 years, we'll have an ending balance of $70,000. Of course, our first month, we'll be bringing in $220. By the time we hit the end of year one, we'll be bringing in $358 per month. When we hit the end of year two, we'll be bringing in $600 a month. When we hit we'll hit our first $1,000 month by the month 35. But by the time we get to month 60, or the end of 5 years, we'll be bringing in $3,000 a month. So $3,000 a month times 12, just from selling cash secure puts, that's an extra $36,000 a year. Now we've been doing close to 4,500. Our best month was 6,000, but on average, we're doing around $4,200 every single month inside of the Patreon community, inside of the Discord. Well, we're on track. We're a little bit ahead of this right here. We've been doing it for a while. We started with a larger account, but yeah, I'm averaging anywhere between 3 and 4.5% per month just selling cash secure puts. So that show you how just a little bit of research on 1 hour on Sunday, and then you put in a cash secure put that expires a month out. So you're not checking the market every single day. Sometimes you're going to get a sign. Sometimes you're not going to get a sign. Sometimes you want to get a sign. But yeah, bringing in around 4% in a month on a trade is doggone good. All right, so that's Lemonade. The next stock I want to show you guys is LBLX. Roblox, I like Roblox at this price right here. It's at one of my support zones. Roblox has been doing extremely well. Of course, it did that thing I told you guys that it was going to do. It went public, it shot all the way up, traded sideways for a bit, and then continued to shoot up. Now, we got in on Roblox way back here. All right, and we sold at, all right, I ain't gonna lie to you, we sold at around $98. So we sold around right here at $98. So we bought in, what we buying way back here at around $42. No, we bought in cheaper than $42. I think we got in like $30 and we sold at $98. Did a cover call to sell at $98. It continued to shoot all the way up to around $150. Felt like we missed out, and then it continued to pull all the way back to our buy zone again. So RBLX is in one of our buy zones again. So I'm comfortable selling cash secure puts. Not as comfortable as I was on LMND on Lemonade. So let's pull up Roblox and let me show you guys the difference. RBLX. So here we are on Roblox. Let's hit trade options, and let's go out that same month, and we're gonna be selling that cash secure put. But because I kind of want shares of Roblox, but not really, I'm not going to pick a 0.3 delta. I was fine getting assigned shares in Lemonade. I want shares in Lemonade. It's an insurance company that's from your phone. So it's using technology. Everybody hates the insurance companies. Lemonade is very friendly. You log in, insure something, and you log out, right? Roblox, everybody know what Roblox is. If you got kids, if you are a kid, you know where Roblox are. So let's scroll down and let's look at the 40. The 40 is a 0.3 delta. Remember, that's too risky for us. Let's look for a 0.2 delta. So let's continue to scroll down. The market's not open right now, so all the prices aren't pulling up. But if we look at the 3750 right here, that is giving us a 0.21 delta. That's giving us like a 80% chance of Roblox not pulling back to 3750 within by June 18th or a month from now. So we'll get paid $113 just looking at the market price, and it will cost us $3,750 just to sell a cash secure put. So 113 divided by 3750, multiply that by 100. So that is a 3% trade. Not as good as the Lemonade trade because we were selling at a 0.3 delta, but 3% trade selling at a 0.2 delta is doggone good. In fact, I would probably go a little bit lower than 3750. So other than doing the 3750, because it is in a downtrend right now, I would probably do the 35. This would probably give us close to a little bit over 1.2% within a month. Still fine with me, but we're at less risk of getting assigned these shares because the delta is 0.13. I mean, we're close to a 90% chance of winning this trade. So that's really awesome. That is a good trade setup. And then the last one that everyone's talking about that pays really good premiums is SoFi. I'm liking SoFi at these prices right here. I think we got in a SoFi at around $7, $12. So now I'm ready to pick up more shares of SoFi down in this zone down here around the $14.50 to $14 price point. This is one of my zones that I drew out because of support, reject, support, right? So I drew out the zone on SoFi looking at the 1-day chart because we only want to work for 1 hour a day on Sunday. Set up our alerts, and there it goes. It's at the bottom of it's near the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. It's almost oversold. You guys can wait and be patient until you guys see this setup right here, which we did inside the Patreon. We sold cash secure puts, but you can wait and be patient until it's oversold again. But I would want to pick up shares at around $14. So if we come back over here, let's type in SoFi. And please do your own research on all these companies. SoFi is another good company that I want to add into my positions inside my portfolio. Let's go out to June 18th and look for a 14 put. So this one right here, market price is 36. It is a 0.22 delta. I'm fine with that. And it will cost us $1,400 to enter this trade. So it's a lot cheaper. The market price was, what was it? 36. And there it goes. If we enter this trade, we will stay in profit until SoFi falls below $13.64 because we are collecting $36 in premium. So if you take 36, divide that by what was it, $14, multiply that by 100, that is a 2.57% trade in just 1 month. You multiply that out by a year, of course that's 30% in a year, which is really good. So if you're tired of day trading, always missing signals while you're at work, you're a CDL driver, you're a teacher, you're a coach, you're a lawyer, you're a dentist, you anything out there that has a job, and you don't have time to be looking at these alerts every single second of the day. Take an hour of your day, set up your trades. Once you get your alert, you can enter it. That's expiring out a month, and you can check your phone literally once a day when you get off work, once a week on Fridays. Just check in on your trades, see how it's doing, and you don't have to look at it every single second of the day. You can just look at it once a day, once a week, once a month. Just give you your life back and generate some extra premium and some income. Yes, it would take you a year to have a 50% growth, right? It would take you a full year. If you're a day trader, you can make 50% in a day, right? But it's a lot riskier. You lose on an option trade, buying calls and buying puts, it's gone. You lose on a cash you can put on Lemonade, you own 100 shares of a company that you wanted. You know what I'm saying? So if you lose selling put options, you just got the shares. You just hold on to their shares. It's a company that you already wanted. So listen, man, I showed you guys how I make the money, how I make the market give me the loot. So come in, give me the loot. Because I showed you guys how to make the market just give you money, right? So just selling options has been the best thing that I have learned by far since investing. I've been doing this for years and years and years and years and years. So guys, if you do want to join the Patreon, that link is going to be down in the pinned comment section. Go check that out. If you do want to be a part of the Zoom call, so that's the Dream Team. And I'm going to leave a code down there as well to pick up some free shares of Webull. You guys can check out Webull. Sign up, deposit $1, get access to many of their free tools in there that I talked about in my last video. I used this tool on Webull. Y'all didn't want to check it out. It makes picking strike prices even that easier. Check out this video right here. It's going to take you to the next step. If you're confused about deltas, support and resistance, just use this technical analysis tool right here, future projection tool on Webull. It's going to tell you everything that you need to know. But other than that, dreamers, make sure that you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe button, and most importantly, hit that notification bell. If you made it in this video, please hit that notification bell. I can't beg you enough. But other than that, dreamers, I'm Zeke, bringing you Dream Green Conversations, and I'm out. Peace.